This is my own design. For work I will use 1.4mm crochet hook and a ball of 100% mercerized cotton yarn, 169 meters in 50 grams. You can use any kind of yarn and any crochet hook. I will begin from the foundation ring. Make a chain of 6 for the foundation chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and join the chain in the round by making a slip stitch into the first chain stitch. My foundation ring is ready. Let's crochet the first round. Make a chain, pull a little bit, make 12 single crochet into the ring. While making my stitches, I remove a long piece of yarn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Once I have done 12 single crochet stitches, to complete this round, I skip the chain stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make a slip stitch. I continue working on my flower. Let's look at the ready flower. My flower consists of 3 layers of petal. For this flower, I used different colors of yarn. You can use 1 color, 2 or 3. So you can use just 1 color of yarn. In this case, I'm done this flower using 1 color of yarn. You can use this flower to create big project or combine this flower to another small motifs such as leaves, laces or another accessories, or you can use it to put it on the hat or scarf. I am using 1 color of yarn. You can decide it with your own. You need to change color of yarn or not. I continue working on my flower. Let's crochet the first layer of petals. This is my own design. I did a chain. Insert the hook into the stitch, make single crochet. Make chain of 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well done. Then chain more. This is the chain for transition. I insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook. Make single crochet 1, 2, through the next stitch, then half double crochet, make double crochet through the next stitch, then make more double crochet in a row. 2, 3 and 4. Well done. I skip the next stitch, insert the hook into the second stitch, make single crochet. Continue working. I'm working in the same way as I showed you before. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have got 8 chains. Then insert the hook into the second chain stitch, make single crochet and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round, then I will show you how to complete this round. Let's complete this round with me. Once I have done the last petal, I have got 6 petals. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch. I remove my petals like this. I'm going to work with these stitches. Make a chain. Insert the hook into the stitch that I was skipped. Make single crochet. Make a chain of 3 to bring up the yarn. I did single crochet and chains instead of first treble crochet. Then chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over the hook 3 times. So I'm going to work with treble crochet into these stitches. 1, 2. So as you can see, my petals behind the work. 1, 2, 3, and treble crochet. And treble crochet, chain of 3, and so on. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. So my base for the second layer is almost ready. Make chain of 3. Here is my single crochet. Let's count 1, 2, 3. This is the third chain stitch. Make a slip stitch. So my base for the second layer is ready. Let's crochet petals. Make a chain. Pull a little bit. Make single crochet around this chain. Continue. Make chain of 3. 1, 2, 3. Make 7 treble crochet around this stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and make the 7th one. So here is my next stitch. Work into this next stitch. Make single crochet. One, 2, 3, and 7 treble crochet around this stitch. I will crochet faster, and after this petal we will stop and look. 1, 2, 3, 4, I have done 4 of them. 5, 6, and 7. I have done 7 treble crochet stitches. Here is my stitch. Make single crochet, chain of 3, and so on. Let's stop and look what I have done. I started the second layer. Here is my petals. In total it should be 6 of them. I have done 2 of them. You need to do 4 more with your own. Keep working in this way till the end of this round. Then I will show you how to complete this round with me. And so on. Let's look at the back side. Once I have done all 6 petals, let's look at all my petals. Let's complete this round. Insert the hook into the single crochet. Make a slip stitch. My round is ready. And now I show you how to crochet the third layer of petals. Let's transit from this row to another one. Make a chain. I will insert the hook into the top of the stitches. 1, 2. In this case it is going to be chain. I already worked it into. Let's repeat one more time. Make single crochet, chain of 3 to bring up the yarn, three double crochet into the 2 loops of the single crochet. This is first one and this is the second one. 1, 2, and 3. Well done. Insert the hook into the stitch. Make single crochet, chain of 3, yarn over the hook and make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Then single crochet into the stitch. Insert the hook into the top of the stitch. So keep working in this way till the end of this round. It is going to be the middle part. Here what I have done. Once I have done the last petal, I have already cut off my yarn. Insert the hook into the single crochet, make a slip stitch, and to secure the yarn by making a chain, I will remove the yarn along the stitches using the sewing needle or a crochet hook. I straight up my petals. So that's it, my cute flower is ready. I have got 3 kinds of petals. You can choose any of them to create your own flower, or just one layer of the flower. For this flower I used one color of yarn. You can take 2 or 3 colors, it depends of your project. It is very simple and fast to crochet project. Let's look at the back side. In this case I took 3 different colors. Here how my flower looks like at this point. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Follow me in social media and of course crochet with me. Please look at the description of each video tutorial. There are a lot of video tutorials. And of course additional information about the tools. You can use such kind of flower to create project or combine with leaves or another small motifs. Or it could be like accessories or a separate motif. Also, you can add a bead to the center of the flower. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time and bye!